Hi guys, welcome to this episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Kelly and she writes, "Hi MissPlanIt." Hi Kelly. First of all, I want to say that I love all of your DIY projects. Thank you so much for your channel. Kelly, thank you for watching. My husband and I are planning our second wedding this year. It'll be for our 10-year anniversary and it's coming up soon. For our wedding centerpieces, I would love something like this. I'm thinking that maybe adding white roses or some blue flowers and having a little bit more greenery would be close to our color scheme. What do you think? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thank you for taking the time to read my email. Love, your biggest fan. Well, Kelly, I'm so excited to show you how easy it is to create this beautiful fancy feather centerpiece for your wonderful 10th anniversary. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Fancy Feather Centerpiece. Let's go. So our first step is to attach our 4-inch styrofoam ball to the inside of our candle holder. I'm just going to do this with some high heat hot glue to make sure it stays put, and then we'll be ready to create our beautiful flower arrangement. So the key to obtaining this look of this flower arrangement is to make it light and airy. So your greenery, you don't want the greenery to be too dense. As you can see, I'm applying them in 3 stem increments. So each section has little 3 stems and it just creates a fullness without making it too dense. It still is light and airy. We're going to add height to the centerpiece with these 12-inch long peacock feathers. Now you can add as many feathers or as few as you like, as long as you don't bunch them up too much. Spread them out from the center all the way to the sides. This final step is optional. The centerpiece is absolutely gorgeous on its own, but if you want to add a little bit more drama, go ahead and add some orchid stems to it. Well, Kelly, how do we do? It's absolutely stunning. I hope we met your expectations. I want to remind everyone that all of the links to the supplies as well as the project cost is always in the link below this video. Just click on that little button that says show more and you will have all of the information at your fingertips. It is our absolute pleasure to do these projects for you. We want to make sure you have access to everything you will need to make it an enjoyable and easy process. If you'd like to hang out with us some more, you can head over to our social media and you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. You also know if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. It was formerly known as Ebates. They pay you to shop. Super simple. Go down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's free and just that simple. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. If you would like to get a special notification whenever we post our videos, go ahead and subscribe. If you have a comment or a question, please put it down there. We have a fantastic DIY community. They understand that I have a very full schedule, but I do answer all the questions. And guess what? If I don't get to it soon enough, they are very capable of helping you. I love that we help each other. We are all expert DIYers in our own right. It was such a pleasure to hang out with you. We so appreciate you choosing to hang out with us because we know you have so many options on YouTube. Well, guys, until next time, I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on MissPlanIt. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.